Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download all the files from Google Drive at once. So one of the easiest and most reliable way to download everything from your Google Drive is by using Google Takeout. So open a tab and go to takeout.google.com. Make sure you are logged into the Google account you want to download the files from. By default, Google Takeout selects all Google products. For example, Gmail, YouTube, history, maps, and everything else. We don't need all of this, so let's clean it up or click on the select all. Then find Google Drive. Once you found it, enable the checkbox. Then click on the next step by scrolling down. On this part, Google will ask you how you want to receive your files. For example, a download link via email, add to Drive, add to Dropbox, add to OneDrive, and add to Box. So most people will choose the download link. And the next part is choosing your file type. Do you want a zip file or a TGC file? Then you can also choose your file size. Do you want a 2 gig, 4 gig, 10 gig, 50 gig? And after this, click on Create Export. So Google will now start generating your full backup. This can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours, depending on how big your drive is. You'll receive an email once it's ready. Just open the link that Google sends you and download all the zip files onto your computer. If you only need a specific file or folder, instead of your whole drive, you can do it manually inside the drive.google.com. Just click on the folder, then press right-click, and choose the download option. Google will zip it automatically. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.